Now, as families continue to pray that their loved ones return, many are forced to grapple with knowing they no longer have a home or even a place to work once the fires are extinguished. So how do you begin to confront that kind of trauma? Let me bring in Dr. Drew Pinsky. This state has been just ravaged by fires. I think of the friends of mine who've lost homes in Carpinteria, family members who've lost homes in Northern California.
Yeah.
Not even in these fires.
No, listen, it's been bad. We had friends staying with us from the valley, from Thousand Oaks. How about Thousand Oaks? They have a mass murder and then a fire the next day.
Yeah.
We were barely able to get their feet under them from that. And it feels like the fires are becoming more intense and more widespread, and they are. Mm-hmm. They are. There are many reasons for it. They're almost always man-made, and our lack of proper forestry management seems to be a very, very significant factor in all this. But before you do, you asked about the long road back. It's like anything else. We felt helpless. We have significant loss. We have to reprioritize, and we have to focus on our important relationships and realize that's really what matters.
Yes, and that's what people, and you hear actually a lot of celebrities saying that.
Yeah.
They're not wallowing in self-pity. They're saying, we can rebuild, thank God, we're safe.
It brings everything into focus. People are like, oh, shoot, I lost a lot of stuff. I feel bad about it. I felt helpless, but oh my goodness, my family, my important relationships, that's all that really matters. We can go forward.
Now, the president really got hammered for talking about forestry and forest management, but there is something to it because, as we know in California, you have cycles of drought, which can be protracted,
which have been.
And then you have El Nino and La Nina years where you have so much precipitation, and that's when the mountains and the forests explode.
They explode, and then you get the mudslides.
And then they die, and that's
Kennedy,
when everything catches fire.
To be fair, I think it was the timing that was a bit off. We were all languishing in some pretty unpleasant feelings, and that was sort of a big punch in the gut.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, I talked to somebody who is a forestry expert just yesterday, and he'd been in Paradise the year before and told them they were in great danger because of the excessive growth of the forest.
Why can't they clean out the forest?
I'm trying to get an answer for that. You don't see fire breaks being the bulldozers up there making the fire breaks. You don't see the backfires anymore. You don't see the forestry management. Now, I've been told
and those are the controlled burns that would actually take care of some of that overgrowth.
Yes, and then what you hear is the politically expedient rhetoric, like, well, it's the climate. What are you going to do? It's the new abnormal, our governor told us. It's like, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. And no matter what you do, we're not going back.
Don't give the fires more oxygen.
So we're going to have to do something to manage what we've got because it's how it's going to be. And the way that's going to need to be done is with more aggressive forestry management in spite of the potential adverse effect on some of the animals in the environment, which, believe me, are not doing well now. This is a catastrophe for the animals.
If you're destroying habitat of some of these critically endangered species through man-caused wildfires, then how is managing the forest not a more moral option?
I walk around in my great state of California all the time going, what? How could that be? What is that? We have typhus breaking out with the homeless, and we're not willing to do anything about that? How's that work?
Gross.
Yeah, good times.
I mean, the typhus is gross.
No, I grossed you out during the break.
And we were talking about rats crawling all over people on freeway off-ramps.
Yes, I've seen it. I got a picture of my cell phone. I'll show you during the break.
You should post that.
Okay, I will.
People would really love it.
I will. Some of my homeless friends on the freeway off ramps have taken to letting the rats crawl on them as sort of, they look like they're playing with them and things. But I'm telling you, they have Yersinia pestis on them. Look that up. You'll see where that goes. And we have giant typhus outbreaks in Southern California now. Hey, wish you were back home with us, Kennedy. You enjoy this with us.
No,
fires and pestilence.
No, I was
fantastic.
I was listening to John again a couple weeks ago talking about the homeless crisis and how no one really addresses the real issues and the causes, and they throw money at it, and it's...
Kennedy, we could solve it easily by just expanding the definition of gravely disabled and expanding conservatorship a little bit. You'd be able to take care of a lot of these people. In the meantime, we'll have people suffering in the streets, and you have major infectious disease outbreaks spreading across Southern California.
That is...
with our fires.
An imperfect storm.
Yeah, indeed.
That is not an acceptable new abnormal. I don't care what Jerry Brown says. Thank you so much.
Good to see you.
Thank you.